Humans are primates, but we evolved from other primates. And there's not really any group of animals that are reptiles. That's an old model biologists don't use anymore. However, mammals evolved from an animal that most people would call a reptile. All mammals, including humans, came from an animal group we call synapsids. Synapsids are all the various things that came from a mammal-like reptile that evolved in the Permian. And they are from the class Reptilia. So we did evolve from something we'd call a reptile. Number 1 are yolk sacs. When we're embryos, a relic of our egg-laying past hangs in the womb with us, a yolk sac. Just like bird and reptile eggs, this sac provides embryos with nutrients. Yolk sacs developed about 300 million years ago when the first amphibians moved onto land. Along with the amniotic sac, it prevented their eggs from drying out. Number 2, resilient skin. It may not look like it, but our skin developed thanks to a reptilian battle with the elements. 300 million years ago, reptiles evolved a new kind of skin to deal with the dry air on land, a watertight barrier of dead skin cells, which rested atop a layer of fresh, living cells. We inherited that same layering system. Number 3, the hair on our heads and elsewhere. Sorry mammals, but reptiles beat you to the punch and grew hair first. Animals like Thrinoxodon, a burrowing reptile that lived 245 million years ago, evolved whiskers to feel around in the dark. Within 20 million years, animals got hairier and hairier, and the first mammals appeared. Number 4, ears and sense of hearing. 3 bones in our middle ear help amplify sound. Amazingly, 2 of those bones are part of a reptile's jaw. The fossil record indicates that over 200 million years ago, those 2 jaw bones started receding back into ancient reptiles' heads. Hadrocodium, a small mouse-like creature that descended from reptiles some 190 million years ago, was one of the first critters to inherit the special 3-boned ear. Number 5, big brains. As late reptiles and early mammals developed whiskers and a better sense of hearing, their brains had to process more information. Because of this, their brains started to grow. Number 6 are teeth. Most modern reptiles have long, sharp, peg-shaped chompers, think crocodiles. They don't have canines, those are strictly found in mammals. But it wasn't always that way. The dog-like lizard Gorgonopsid was one of the first ancient reptiles to flaunt long, saber-toothed canines. By the time the shrew-like Tritheldons appeared 230 million years ago, reptiles were chewing on plants and developing molar-like teeth. Teeth became more complex, setting the stage for humans, and dentists. Number 7, the genes that make us us. Of course, we don't inherit reptile teeth, skin, and bones directly. We simply inherit the genes that make them possible. One gene has a lot to do with all of these transformations. ETA controls how many teeth you have, what those teeth look like, how hairy you are, and how soft and sweaty your skin is. It's believed that mutations to ETA in ancient reptiles helped us inherit our body's current blueprints.